How to write a gym cancellation membership letter. Gym cancellation membership letter. Date, May 10, 2019. 2. ATTN address, postal code, country. Subject, cancellation of membership. Dear Mr./Mrs. Name, regrettably, I have to send in this request for cancellation of my membership from the gym. I am forced to cancel the membership due to the fact my other hobby requires most of my spare time, and has the advantage of losing weight as well. Reasons to cancel gym membership are: cheaper option somewhere else, you transfer to another location, you find a different hobby to lose weight, you don't want to work anymore on your body, therefore I may not be available to attend future club activities. The association with the club has been rewarding and I certainly hope that it will continue to enrich other people's life in future. Yours sincerely, Name. Signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com